Alright, so as you can probably tell by the title of this video, this is a video on kind of symptoms of a bad TFI, and we're going to do a little thing on how to replace it. So kind of our initial symptoms were, well, to get started off with this story, I went over to my buddies and I was like, yeah, let's take it for a drive. I've got the new rear end gears and all that. It feels way more torquey and just all around tighter because of the redone rear end with better control arms. But anyway, like, all right, everyone, let's pile in. So we piled in the car. We went down the road. I gave it the beans and went up to about 4,000 RPM, and it just started like it was hitting a rev limiter. Just fall on its face. And then I came back. I was like, well, what the heck? That was really weird. And obviously I was pretty unhappy. And so I ran the codes on it, and it gave me a code for a bad barometric air pressure sensor, or BAP sensor. So I thought, oh, well, okay, the computer probably can't get the right air fuel mix, and maybe it's like running really lean or rich or whatever up at the top end. So then I bought a different BAP sensor. We replaced it, and that's the new BAP sensor. And we took it for a spin, and all seemed okay. And then he took it for a second drive, and when he got to about 4,000 RPM, what do you know? It was like he's just fell on its face, like he's hitting a rev limiter. And it would break up really bad. So he did digital magic with his oscilloscope and probed some wires in here, and I'll put in a video of that.
So we were having problems with the Mustang breaking up at higher RPM. This should be somewhere in the neighborhood of 4,000 RPM, but the top signal is the, I think, IDM, and that's just basically the negative end of the coil, and the bottom signal is the spout signal from the computer telling it when to fire. And you can tell everything's pretty normal until you start going through. You should be seeing these big spikes correlate directly, because every time this rises up on a rising edge, it's trying to fire the coil. But as you go along, it starts to fall apart a little bit. Things don't really jive up anymore. You can see here it just completely whiffs this one. Just didn't even try to fire the coil there. And that's right when the engine's breaking up. So I'm assuming this is going to be a failed TFI module, unless there's something funky with my scope not capturing this right. But yeah, this one's botched too right there. So with any luck, we can make this go away with the new TFI.
So we have the TFI and everything we need. So basically, to replace these, and there's other videos out there on it, but you have to unhook this connector and then loosen the distributor and turn it counterclockwise until you can access the two bolts on it, or screws. So you're going to lose your timing, but you'll just have to set, we're going to try to put a mark down on the block and on the distributor to kind of, with a paint pen, to show us where we need to be. So I guess we'll get started with doing that now.
Oh, I just stabbed myself, Josh.
Okay, so we loosened the distributor with this stupid flex socket. It's not a great way to do it. Just buy a distributor wrench. And all you do is you just unscrew, like I said, these two bolts, and then it just pulls down out of the bottom. So we'll probably just do that. That's not scientific or nothing. So
Oh shoot, we're gonna die!
That's gonna shoot us. Just cleaning the old gunk off the distributor.
Oh yeah.
Where's your thermal compound?
Should be over there, I think. It's over there, I lost it. I don't know if this stuff's legit. I went on Amazon and found something labeled thermal compound.
Well, this is a liquid electrical tape.
That's not real. It's a small jar. And it's
Gone.
Oh shoot.
And we're just gonna take this silicone heat transfer compound, and where's the old TFI? You just rub it on the back of the TFI. Here's the old TFI. Yeah. this metal plate surface here. You just rub it on there. I don't know how liberally, but
we're gonna use enough. Stuff is thick. Holy cow! It's also only 40 degrees, so
it's thick.
Yeah, thicker than I anticipated.
Oh yeah.
I think we already have more than enough, in all honesty.
So we're just installing it now.
I'm sure there's a connector down there somewhere.
Yeah, just sort of cram it up and bend all those pins every direction.
Oh yeah.
That's installed, except for the screws.
Ace mechanics. That's what we are.
I'm just letting you do all the work today.
Yeah, I know. I can tell.
Okay, so now we're putting on the connector, and then we're gonna try to put our distributor back in the right-ish spot.
Well, I've removed all marks I made.
That's, yeah.
I think it was about there. Oh yeah. Yeah, for sure.
That's how you set timing. Just about there.
Ish.
Me ain't one of them cool old dudes that can just listen to it and be like,
oh, I can feel it.
That's the perfect timing. Gotta push the Mustang back, running it in the shed, and gotta clear a path. No, I got a rev limiter. Wait, two-step. This is for reverse. Alright, I'm gonna set the timing now, and you probably want to, well, you have to pull the spout if you want to get set your timing correctly, which is a little connector right back there, which is an absolute pain to do, and he's the connector guy. Give her heck, buddy. It's giving me the blinks, and I don't know why. It's having a fart attack.
Yeah, I think our battery's too dead to start anything.
Yes, sir.
Why do they keep running dead like this?
Because our battery's a piece of junk. That is not gonna work.
It's gonna be fine.
It is not.
It's gonna be fine. Try it.
Trying to shoot sparks or anything.
Yeah, I like sparks. They're cool.
Give it the beans.
You give it the beans. You got them.
Come on, baby. No, just hold it to it. There's more in her. I can tell. Oh no, there ain't. Wait. Come on, pass it. Just pop off. Nope. We tried. Did you check all the digital electro stuff in this thing? What do you say? Wow, what is this thing smoking? I'll see what.
It's almost like the computer's just like, no. It's not.
Alright, so it's actually the next day, and we installed that TFI, and we thought everything was awesome and good, and then it just started dying on us. And you would start it, it would run for a little bit, and then it would die, and it was ignition, it wasn't getting spark. So, apparently our motorcraft TFI is bad, and it truly is motor crap, like Jeremy said. So, we bought the nice, where is it? The nice cheapo Master Pro one from O'Reilly, and a distributor wrench because flex heads suck. So we're gonna replace this and see if this one works. Apparently Ford just, yeah, they just suck now as far as motorcraft. I think they just make their crap in the same place as everyone else. So, alrighty, we'll install this quick and get back to you. Why didn't we should have bought a battery?
I thought about it, but it wasn't on sale.
Alright, we're taking her here for a test rip. Post TFI. Well, second TFI install. I can feel our power.
It's in there.
It gained 50 horse from the Master Pro.
No, it didn't. It gave me 50 because we had this one.
The 5.0 pedal.
That's what it means. It's for 50 horsepower.
We got two of them down there then. That's an extra 100.
No, the other one's damaged.
Okay, 75. Oh, there's a GT there.
Ooh.
You're not...
Could have parked right next to him.
You should have. Let's take her down the dump road.
No.
Really go full Duke, boys.
Feelings like. Ready to give her heck?
In second.
Yeah, it is, but I want to get past this first bump. Nah, forget.
Oh yeah, all the acceleration. Woo! Oh, there's some bumps.
It went up all the way almost to 6.
Yeah, you had her up there. Right where she was supposed to be. Got blind spots the size of Texas in these things. Alright, so we're going to test the 4,000 RPM thing again, see if it misfires. No. Nope, she's fixed. Alright, well there you have it. Everyone says TFIs are either kind of an on or off thing when they fail, but obviously they are not. The 4,000 RPM and above misfire and break up, kind of behaving like a rev limiter, can very much so just be your TFI. So that's pretty much it for this video. We finally fixed the issue on our second TFI, and we'll see you when the next thing breaks, or we actually do something cool. So see you in the next one.